Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's video is all about some relaxing home management. The first thing that needs to go down in this house is getting these carpets cleaned in the living room. It's definitely past due, and my husband's going to help me out with that. I love cleaning with vinegar, so I also incorporate that with carpet cleaning. The other thing that I have realized with using the vinegar, you know how sometimes you have that weird carpet smell in your house after you've cleaned the carpet? The vinegar prevents that smell from occurring. So I know a lot of people don't like the smell of vinegar, but it also masks odors. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐻. Please leave a comment down below letting me know where you are in this world. I happen to be in Central Ohio, in the great US of A. I'm in the Buckeye State. My mom would call a Buckeye a worthless nut because you can't really eat those nuts, they're poisonous. Hi Mom. On my channel, I typically do home management videos. So that's cooking, cleaning, doing DIYs, projects, repairs, that sort of thing. If that sounds like your jam, please be sure to hit subscribe and hit the like button on your way out as well.
My cuddle baby, wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy. My cuddle baby, don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe.
Now, I mentioned earlier how it was way past due to get these carpets together. I was supposed to do it a while ago, but your girl has just been tired and busy, let's be real. So my husband's helping me out, as I previously stated. I will say that the water is so dirty. However, he ran over the carpet about 3 different times, maybe 4. Can't remember exactly. But the last time he ran over it, the water was not dirty at all. So we wanted to make sure that it was completely clean. We don't want to do any half jobs, you know what I mean? Now that he's completed that, we're on our way to the kitchen to get these bulbs removed from underneath the microwave. They're yellow and the lighting in my house is bright white, so I wanted to get these taken out. However, one of the bulbs got caught, the one that he's doing right now actually, so we have yet to complete that. I'm going to wipe down my countertops in my kitchen as well as my table, and I will be using the Method cleaner, and it's the lavender scent. So let's talk about this door for a second. This is the door that we come in and out of. It's connected to the garage and it gets really, really dirty. I will say this, it's really hard to tell when white is dirty on camera, but if you were there face to face, you would see like all the fingerprints. So how are you guys doing? What have you been up to? What are you reading? What are you watching? I know I ask this in every video. I'm definitely interested for sure. I like to always share different things that I'm doing with you. So, you know, communication's a two-way street, so I need to know what you're doing as well. Right now I'm watching a show that was suggested by one of you. It's a show on Peacock and the name of the show is called Poker Face. And it's okay. It's the same thing over and over again. It's kind of like living Groundhog Day over again, just in a different packaged situation. At any rate, if you've watched it before, let me know if you like it. All kinds of spillages on this wall. Hopefully you can see it right there. And then there's some right here too. I'm gonna get that cleaned off real quick.
Hesitation. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I need.
For me, the best time to clean my refrigerator is right in between those times where we need to go to the grocery store. So I'm just gonna do a really quick spot clean right now, not a deep clean. What I have realized is the more I spot clean it, the less I have to deep clean it. You feel me?
I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time. Waste of time. You got 70,000 friends, but I am one of them. One of them. I know someday we could finally be friends, with a risk of falling in love again. And I feel now it is time
Another thing that I wanted to do in this living room, since my husband just did the carpets, was kind of like move some stuff around. And yeah, there's some stuff inside there that needs to be put away as well. So I have some stuff over there in the hallway, if you can see that pile over there. And I have a pile here. And then I have some stuff in the kitchen too. Probably won't be doing it in this video, but I need to paint this. I think those are so cute. I especially need to paint the gold part because I'm not feeling the gold. But yeah, let's see what we come up with. So I had something that I was going to decorate with, and as you can see, I broke it. So I need to clean this up real quick. I'm not going to lie, I was sad that it broke because I wanted to bring in some natural elements into decorating right now for that in-between stage of now in spring. But yeah, I'm just going to use something else. It's all about improvisation, right? Is that a word? It's all about improvising. That's the word I'm looking for. I would definitely not suggest you picking up any kind of glass with your bare hands, which is why I have rubber gloves on. You guys, I love this stand so much. I stalked it online for a very, very long time before I bought it. I wanted to make sure that it went on sale because I'm kind of cheap, okay? Anyway, I don't know what I did when I was putting it together, but one of the doors does not close all the way and it drives me bananas. But the sensible Kim is saying, girl, do not take that thing apart because it took you forever to put together, you know, in general. So I'm just gonna have to live with it. Let me know if you've noticed that before about that stand.
Just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into...
There's always a mess behind the things that you're doing in your house when you're rearranging stuff around. Now that I am finished rearranging in here in the living room, I'm going to go to the kitchen and take all the stuff down that I don't want to be up, rearrange everything, and fix this pineapple. It's been broken now for a few years. This is the first time I've used it in a while. I always like to read encouraging articles and that sort of thing. So I was reading something from the Mayo Clinic the other day, and it said 15 ways to be a decent human being. So one of the things that they suggested is for you to write a note to a coworker or just like leave nice words for your coworker. So I put my own spin on it. I'm a person that says affirmations all of the time. So I wrote something on somebody's desk that I work with, and I said, hey, when you come in tomorrow, I need you to read this before you do anything else. Well, the great thing about it is she was receptive to it, number one, but she read it all day. That was the first thing she saw when she came in. And anytime that she was feeling any type of insecurity or feeling down on herself, she read what the word said. I want to encourage you to put a sticky note on your mirror every single day so that once you wake up, you see a word like delightful, beautiful, worthy, needed, enough, because those are all of the things that you are. We're all in this pursuit of life together, and it really just makes it better when there's other people who are on the same accord. Let me know if you try this with yourself or a coworker. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, this relaxing clean with me, and just home management in general. Don't forget to be kind to yourself so that you're able to be kind to others, and just show love in this world because all of us need it. We still haven't replaced the light bulb that you guys saw in another clip. Anyway. It's the next morning. I left some stuff around the house in the living room that I need to get cleaned up. I also want to make myself a cup of coffee and sweep and mop my floors, as I was not able to do that yesterday. I was way too tired. The way that chronic fatigue shows up sometimes is really interesting. I will say, celebrate every single win, no matter how tired you are. If it takes you 12 days to do something, celebrate those 12 days because you earned it, you deserved it, and you got through it. Thank you again for being here. I truly, truly appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting for?
I know that you don't like your hair, but I think it's beautiful. We just need to call